Hello everyone, my name is Sahil Gaurav. I am a senior research scholar at IIT Guwahati, India. I will be discussing my research on smart transformers for realizing meshed and hybrid electric power distribution grids. Here this page details regarding the paper title and authors of paper. Now let me introduce to you about our lab, the Smart Energy Conversion Lab in EEE department at IIT Guwahati. The Smart Energy Conversion Lab is fully equipped with the necessary state-of-the-art facilities and equipment to develop and test such type of smart transformer-based grid systems. Now let me introduce you to my lab mates and the project we are currently working on. We are a group of researchers led by Professor Chandan Kumar working on a project titled Development of a Smart Transformer-based Electric Vehicle Charging Station with High PV Penetration. This project is funded by the ANRF DST India. Here in the project, my task is to development of control for the converters at the low voltage side of smart transformer based microgrids. So the question is why this research is relevant. Modern distribution grids face instability and poor power quality due to the increasing penetration of distributed generations. The ST-based microgrids offer a flexible solution but suffer from low inertia, voltage oscillations, and synchronization issues. To overcome these challenges, we proposed an AHO-based VO control technique to enable the accurate simultaneous control of both active and reactive power flows. Further, an adaptive VI control is introduced to facilitate the FCR services and enables the STLV converter to support FRR service within the microgrid. Additionally, a symmetrical component-based VO control technique is implemented to ensure FRT capability. Now let me show you the smart transformer-based microgrid implementation in laboratory environment. The power converters are realized using this semicron-based IGBT stack modules, and the control mechanism is implemented through DS-based micro-labs controller. The MPPT capability of DG converters is tested using this TerraSAS 5 kW PV simulator. Now coming to the experimental results, as we know that STMV converter operates in current control mode and controls the LVDC voltage at unity power factor operation, while the STLV converter operates in voltage control mode and that forms the low voltage group, and that grid voltage has to be followed by the DG converter. Thanks a lot to IEEE Industrial Electronics Society Student and Young Professionals Activity Committee for opportunity to showcase our research.